Hi guys, I'm Sneha. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul video for you guys, and today I'm going to be showing you my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. So I received this pink box from Nykaa, and this has like some amazing product from my favorite brands, and the best part is that they're all on very good discounts. So as you might have seen on social media, that Nykaa is having their Pink Friday sale from the 29th November to the 2nd December, and they have some 650 plus brands on sale, which have up to 40% off, which I think is crazy. So even I have a few products to show you which I picked up from the Nykaa sale. Okay, so let's just unbox this pink Nykaa box. And this box is so gorgeous and I cannot wait to show you the products that are inside it. Okay, so I think I'll start with my old favorite first. The first thing is the L'Oreal Total Repair 5 Smoothing and Repairing Serum. One of my favorite hair serums to use. This is the hair serum that I use before I have to do any hair straightening, even curling. So it helps to just calm down the frizz in my hair, and overall जो बालों की appearance है, it looks pretty smooth. So some of you have this complaint कि hair serums में fragrance बहुत strong होती है. So you can go for something like this, which has like a mild scent. And even I don't prefer products which have like a very strong smell. And I love how this one smells, and this doesn't like bother your nose. And especially बालों में लगा रहे हो, your hair are also going to smell good. So yeah, this is my first pick. The next thing is the MCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub, and oh my god, this again is something which I've been using in my shower these days. Winter season may you need to have a body scrub which is like a coarse body scrub like this, because it has coffee, granulated coffee and coconut oil. It works so amazingly and scent इतनी अच्छी है. I mean, generally winters में क्या होता है, you don't want to take a bath, but when you have something like this sitting in your shower, this invites you to take a bath, which I think is a very good thing. So the next product is the Nykaa IM 24 by 7 Kajal. This is a kohl kajal pencil. I've never tried any of the kajals from the Nykaa brand, so I was excited to see how this one works. A lot of you guys keep asking me the best kajals. I have few of them, and I like including other brand kajals also in my kit, so that I can use them in my makeup tutorials, and I can also give you like a good idea of which is the most long lasting, which is the most jet black, smudge proof. Okay, so this is a twist up kajal pencil, as you can see. So you don't need to sharp your product, and there's like no product wastage like that. Let's just swatch this once. So it's very creamy. It's applying so easily, and it's quite jet black, as you can see from the swatch. So I'm really excited to see how I can use this in my makeup videos. So the next thing is the Garnier Micellar Oil-Infused Cleansing Water. Now this one removes your waterproof makeup as well. I've had this in the past, and again this is like a great budget makeup remover, micellar water. And if any of you don't like spending a lot on your makeup removers, you can try something like this. This has like an oil layer separate and the water layer separate, and when you shake it, you see the oil and water mixed together, and that's when you pour it on your cotton pad and remove all your makeup. So the next thing is a face scrub. We had the MCaffeine body scrub, and the next thing is the Palmer's coconut sugar facial scrub. And if I just open the bottle and smell, oh my god, coconut वाली जो smell होती है ना, coconut sugar वाली smell, it has that smell, and I think I am going to use it a lot in the winter season. Love it, love it. So the next thing in my haul is the L'Oreal Fall Slash Superstar. This is a mascara. It's a 2-in-1 mascara. This is the first time I've got my hands on something which is like this. It's a 2-in-1 mascara. So if I show you, oops, yeah. So one side has this lash primer. So you can see this white in color. This is your step 1. And then step 2 is your mascara. Again, such a great product, and L'Oreal I think makes one of the best mascaras, just like Maybelline. And again, you are going to see this in my makeup tutorials. So the next thing that I have is another hair serum, but then this is a Moroccan Argan hair serum. So I've never really tried Moroccan Argan, either hair oil or a hair serum. I was really excited to see what this can do. This is by a brand called Arganic by Aryanveda Luxury by Nature. This is how it is. And if I just take out the product, so it comes in a bottle like this. Again, it's a clear hair serum, and you have a pump, so that's very convenient to carry while you're traveling. And you just take out one pump of this in the palm of your hands, and you can see it is very light in texture. So a lot of you, especially guys who like using hair oils after your daily shampoo, I would recommend you try something like this. Next in my haul are these HipHop skincare cleansing charcoal nose strips. So a lot of you guys keep asking me कि blackheads के लिए क्या करें, blackheads removal के लिए क्या करें. So I thought I'll just include one of these in my hauls. I'm going to try it. In fact, what I'll do, I'll just create a separate video with this one where I'll show you if a product like this works for blackheads or not. And I think a video like this should be helpful for you guys. So again, this is very affordable. This is for 90 rupees, and I think it has 3 nose strips. So yeah, I'm again excited to see if this product works or not. So the next thing that I have in my haul is this Rimmel Scandaleyes Precision Micro Eyeliner. This is a felt tip black eyeliner. Again, people who don't like applying liquid eyeliners, who have a problem drawing the shape, this is something that you can start with. The felt tip liners are the easiest to work with, and I'm wearing it on my eyes, and you can see it's been almost 4 hours that I'm wearing this, and it is quite jet black. I think I applied 2 strokes of this on my eyes, and you can very easily draw different liner styles, different liner shapes with this. And again, Rimmel as a brand is not very expensive. So if you're just starting out with makeup, I would recommend that you pick something like this. So the next thing in my haul is this NYX Soft Matte Lip Creme in the shade Madrid, and I'm wearing it on my lips right now. And as you can see, this is such a gorgeous deep blood red shade, and it's perfect for this festive season, shadi, wedding ke guest ho aap, even for the Christmas and New Year's season. Perfect, like if you have to go for a Christmas party, for a New Year's party. Colors like this, they work great on almost every skin tone, whether it's like very fair to very deep. Everybody can carry a red like this. And if you can see, this looks so festive. And again, this formulation is so comfortable on the lips. Winters में ज़्यादातर dry, chapped lips की problem होती है, and your liquid lipsticks or your very matte lipsticks, they can feel very stretchy. The soft matte lip creme was one of the first good quality brand lipsticks that I owned in my makeup collection when I started building my kit. So this range has a special place in my heart, and I'm loving this shade. I don't think any of the shades from this range ever disappoint. Lastly, I think this is a new launch from Faces Canada. It's their Ultime Pro Belle Deluxe Jewel Cut Lipstick. Okay, so let's just open this. Ooh, what a swanky packaging. So आपकी lipstick is coming with its own velvet bag case. That's cool. Oh my god, look at the lipstick, yaar. This is the shade Coco Rouge 03. Wow, this looks like some expensive luxury brand lipstick. I'll take just a minute to appreciate the packaging. The range is named Jewel Cut, so they've given like a very good carving on the lipstick, which looks so luxurious. Let's just swatch it. This is a brown color, and I don't have a lot of browns in my makeup kit, so excited to see how this one is. But packaging ko full marks, yaar. I mean, wow. This one retails for $8.99, but I think abhi jaise sale chal raha hai, so almost all these products will be at very good discounts. So this was my today's Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. I'm going to link all these products in the description down below. And thank you so much for watching my today's video. Bye bye.